What is up, guys? Raging Raptor here. If you're wondering, I am wearing a Raptors jersey. I am a Warriors fan though. I have had this jersey much longer before I started this channel, about a year. But that's a bunch of news that you probably don't care about. What I will be doing today is a review of the Redragon Karura keyboard. So without further ado, let's get into it. Money. Doing a physical overview of the keyboard, you might be able to see that the keys, probably not, you won't be able to see it, but the keys are very soft to the touch, and they are also very shallow, probably about the same as a Mac. So obviously by now you probably would notice that this is not a mechanical keyboard in any way, shape, or form. You can also see that there is a red line going down the keyboard, and that there is red backlighting right now. Let me show you the other colors. To give you a better perspective of what the LEDs look like, I've gotten a lot closer so you could see it a lot better, because from different angles they don't look too well. Especially from sitting down on my desk, the LEDs do look a bit faded, but that's probably because my keyboard's at such a low position. So the keyboard comes in obviously off for the LEDs, red, green, blue, yellow, green. I really have trouble explaining this color. It's a lot different in person. Blue, purple, white, and off. So obviously there you didn't see the LEDs very well. Maybe it probably is because of my camera. But when you see them in person, the LEDs are nice. Some problems that I have with the LEDs though is that first, this logo right here doesn't light up too well. It looks a bit faded at times. The space bar is only lighted up in 3 zones. Let me show you the logo again. It does look a bit faded sometimes with different colors, and these indicator keys are only red, and they're not on right now, but when they are only red. Let me just try to quickly turn them on. Wrong button, of course. They're only red. I'm changing the keyboard color, and they are only red, which is nothing too big, but it's still a bit of an annoyance. One last underrated feature of the keyboard is that it has a very nice black and red braided cable, which measures 69 inches. I don't know if they're trying to pull something here, but overall it's a very nice braided cable, so it's obviously not going to rip or break anytime soon, which is really nice. Also, it has this little tie here, so if the cable is too long, you could just wrap it up and make it shorter so you don't have a big mess. And this is something I don't even see in more expensive keyboards. There is a big question that is still left to be answered, and the question is the keyboard worth buying or not? And my answer to your question is yes. This keyboard for a budget of under $30 is very good. It might not be mechanical, but for under $30, you're not going to find any mechanical keyboards unless there's a crazy sale. For under $30, it has backlit keys, 7 to be exact. It has good gaming features such as window lock. It has a wrist rest that is very comfortable, and some companies don't understand how important a wrist rest is. Trust me, from experience, I know. Wrist rests are important, and overall, the keyboard feels of a higher quality plastic. It's not gonna feel extremely cheap, but obviously it's not gonna be made out of stainless steel, but there are stainless steel keyboards or brushed aluminum. It isn't gonna be a keyboard that you think is worth $70 to $100. It does look like it's a budget keyboard, and I don't know what you'd be expecting out of a keyboard priced under $30. So, yes, I definitely recommend this keyboard. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Raging Raptor signing off. You're finishing this video. Peace!